Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your home and kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of eco-friendly and sustainable household essentials, and we've got something special for you. If you're looking for the best washable paper towels for your kitchen, then Real Premium Recycled Paper Towels should be on your radar. These premium paper towels are made from 100% recycled paper, and the best part? They are tree-free, which means no deforestation and no harm to our precious forests. Real has created a product that is not only highly effective but also a sustainable choice for anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Each roll of Real paper towels is crafted with absorbent, 2-ply sheets that can handle all the messes that come with daily kitchen activities. Whether you're wiping down countertops, cleaning up spills, or handling greasy pots and pans, these towels won't let you down. With 3,240 sheets per box, you're set for months of cleaning without constantly running out. Real takes sustainability a step further by ensuring their paper towels are free from added dyes, fragrances, and chlorine bleach. They've also opted for plastic-free, compostable packaging, so you're not contributing to the plastic waste that fills our landfills. It's a small change that makes a huge difference for the planet. What makes Real even more impressive is that they're made right here in the USA, using a minimum of 80% post-consumer recycled fibers, which means the materials come from North America. This not only supports local businesses but also ensures the product is made with a focus on reducing waste and promoting a circular economy. Another reason to love Real is the brand's commitment to sustainable practices. By choosing these paper towels, you're helping reduce the logging that contributes to deforestation and the release of carbon emissions. Real is part of a growing movement of eco-conscious companies that are pushing for change in the way we consume everyday products. If you're thinking about making the switch to more sustainable kitchen products, Real Premium Recycled Paper Towels are an excellent choice. They're tough on messes but gentle on the environment, making them the perfect addition to any eco-friendly home. So, if you're ready to make a positive impact on the planet while keeping your kitchen spotless, consider giving Real a try. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. We'll see you next time with more great product recommendations.